Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. In the previous video, we have built parts of Recruitment Dashboard in Power BI step by step. I will leave a link to playlist above in case you have missed watching those videos. In this final part, we will build a line chart visualization to see monthly hiring trend. While doing so, we will also understand active and inactive relationship in calendar table. Let's come to model view. If you remember, we had connected calendar table with open date as a primary connection from position details table. This is an active connection. But we also made one more connection to close date. This connection is inactive, but if we want to calculate month-wise joiners, we need to make this connection active, only for one visual of joiners. Let's create a new measure. Come to report view, data. Bring your cursor to position details. Right click, new measure. This will count total number of hires. Calculate, count, candidate name. Let's first try this without making the connection active. From Visualization tab, select Line Chart. Add month underscore year to x-axis. The new measure that we've created, total hires to y-axis. In filters, let's add open position. No. That means these are all our joiners. Switch on the data label tab. Come to values, increase the font. Bold. Now it's visible. Now if we see April, we are getting 6. May, we are getting 10. Let's look at our data set. In close date, if we see, there are no joiners in April and May. But in open date, we have 6 candidates in April, 10 candidates in May. This is happening because our primary connection from calendar table is with open date. But we want that connection to be inactive for this visual and close date connection to be active. Let's see how we can do that. Open the measure that we created again, comma, enter, use relationship. Use relationship activates an inactive relationship between two tables as per the values mentioned in the formula. So two connections that we need to make active is calendar date and close date from position details table, which means the joining date for candidate. Our data is now revised. If we see, we have 8 in July, 7 in June. There are none in April and May. Let's look at our data. In June, we have 7. In July, we have 8. 7, 8. Now, if we see, the data is not aligned month-wise. To do that, we will come to table view, select calendar table, select month, year, sort by column, month number. This is the reason we had month number, so that our sorting becomes easier. Refresh. In case it's still not updated, we come back to visualization. We remove it and add total hires again. So now if we see, it is all aligned. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's do a slide formatting as well. Check our slicer. All the data is getting updated. Yes. With this, we have completed our full recruitment dashboard step by step in Power BI. Let me know which dashboard should I make next in Power BI. If you're finding my videos helpful, please like and comment. This motivates me to create more such content. Also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.